In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the waiting room on Zoom. The waiting room is a simple but powerful security feature that gives you full control over when participants enter your meeting. Instead of people joining your call immediately, they'll first be placed in a waiting area. From there, you can admit them when you're ready. This helps prevent unwanted interruptions, keeps your meeting organized, and gives you time to prepare before everyone joins. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to your Zoom web dashboard. This is where you manage your account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top of the page and click on My Account. This will take you to your account management area. Next, find and click on Settings. Think of this section as your control center. It's where you manage everything from audio and video preferences to security features like the waiting room. Inside the Settings page, go to the Meeting tab. If you see multiple tabs, make sure you're in the correct one labeled Meeting because that's where all your meeting-related options are located. Now, scroll down through the list until you find the Waiting Room option. It's usually located under the Security section, so keep an eye out for that heading. Once you find it, simply click the toggle switch to turn it on. When the toggle is enabled, the Waiting Room feature becomes active for your meetings. And just like that, you're done. From now on, whenever you start a meeting, participants won't enter immediately. Instead, they'll wait in the waiting area until you admit them. You'll be able to see who is waiting and choose whether to admit them one by one or all at once. This is especially useful for classes, team meetings, or any session where you want to control attendance and avoid disruptions. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of this feature. When your meeting starts, keep an eye on the Participants panel so you can admit people as they arrive. You can also admit everyone at once when you're ready to begin. If you're running recurring meetings or working with sensitive information, keeping the waiting room enabled adds an extra layer of professionalism and security. Also, if you notice that the waiting room option is grayed out, it usually means your organization's admin has locked the setting. In that case, you'll need to contact them to enable it for you. And remember, most security settings like this are managed through the Zoom web dashboard, not the desktop app. So just to recap, go to your Zoom web dashboard, click My Account, open Settings, go to the Meeting tab, find Waiting Room, and turn it on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.